How to add an NFT as your profile picture on Twitter. How do you add an NFT as your profile picture on Twitter? Technically, you could right-click on the NFT and save the image as a JPEG and then upload it. But this doesn't prove that the NFT is actually yours. How to use Twitter Blue to change your profile picture to an NFT. There are a few things you will need to go through to get your NFT profile picture on Twitter. First, you need to access to the option 1. Changing your current profile picture. To add an NFT as your Twitter profile picture, you have to go through the app. Even if you have the Twitter Blue subscription plan, the process isn't visible on the web browser version of the platform. To get started, first go to your profile and select your profile picture. Underneath the enlarged view of your profile picture is a button labeled Edit. Tap on this, and Twitter Blue gives you the options to take a photo, choose an existing photo, or choose NFT. Select Choose NFT. If you don't have Twitter Blue, only the first two options appear when editing your profile picture. 2. Connecting your preferred wallet. This takes you to a confirmation page that tells you more about NFT profile pictures on Twitter. At the bottom of this confirmation page is a Connect My Wallet button. Unfortunately, the process for connecting a wallet to verify your NFTs is different from the process of entering a wallet address to receive Ethereum tips on Twitter. If you have a wallet listed for tips, you still need to connect your wallet to display NFTs. If you connect your wallet for an NFT profile and want to receive tips, you still have to enter your wallet address. 3. Selecting the NFT for your profile picture. Once your wallet is connected, you need to select the NFT that you want to display. Again, this process can look different depending on what wallet you use and how that wallet accesses your NFTs. For example, the most secure method for displaying NFTs on MetaMask involves importing them individually. This is kind of a pain, so you can save time by only importing the NFT that you want to use as your Twitter profile picture. Once you have selected the NFT that you want to use as your profile picture, you have to crop it. This is because verified NFT profile pictures appear as hexagons instead of the usual circle. That's what this whole process has been about. You can make any NFT your profile picture on Twitter, but only NFTs that you own can appear as hexagons. When you have the crop that you want, select Done from the upper right corner of the pane. Display your NFT on Twitter. Congratulations! Now everyone who sees your profile picture will know that you actually own the coolest NFT in your collection. And they'll probably see that shiny blue check, seeing as you need Twitter Blue to verify an NFT profile picture. So, flex away, you have an NFT and at least $8 disposable per month to show it off with.